Hey everybody, just wanted to get on. Earlier this morning, there was a X1 flare that came out of this sunspot right there, 4298. You can see it, I just zoomed in right here. It's not part of the 4294 to 4296 sunspots that we're really watching. That's as large as the sunspot, almost as large as the sunspot that did the Carrington event. But this one did produce an X1 flare. And so going back, we'll go right over to spaceweather.com. You can see that that activity continued as of this morning. At 21:17 Universal Time on December 8th. There was an M3 flare, but at 05:01 UT time on December 8th. So here in Mountain Time, 6-7 hours before that. Probably about 11 o'clock last night when I was probably recording the episodes for AR 4294 and 4296. 4298 put out an X1 flare. And again, an X1 flare is X is the highest degree magnitude flare you can get, and each point is 10 times greater. So this was just a minute thing, but it did cause some issues in Australia and the Far East. In Australia, we know that the radio was knocked out for a while, and anyway, so that came through. You can see that flare right here. We'll just kind of bring that up, and you can see how 4298 put out that quick flare right here, and we were able to capture that. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that. You can go over to space.com. They have a quick article about it. It triggered radio blackouts in Australia. And it was an X.1.1 flare, and peaked at around 12:01 Eastern, so about 10:01 my time on December 7th in the evening. As it's making its way toward the sun's western limb, it will rotate out of view in the next couple of days, kind of like what I talked about yesterday in a post. So the CME was a plume of plasma magnetic field, was hurled into space alongside the eruption. Early analysis of satellite chronograph imagery suggests that this CME is not Earth directed, so kind of off from the Earth a little bit. That's good news. But the other part of it you can see, we go back to spaceweather.com. They are predicting, because of the flare that came off on December 6th, an M8 class flare from Sunspot 4299. That's that one up top. That is probably going to cause aurora activity down to the mid-latitudes here in the United States and in Europe and other points. The only part that may be tricky on that is timing. There's a storm watch that's been valid for December 9th. Associated with that flare comes up. We can click on that. And of course, you could go to the NOAA space, swpc.noaa.gov, and see this as well. And it's arrived at Earth early to midday on December 9th, so it may not come out. We'll have to see how the evening comes after the sun sets, but there could possibly be aurora then. So it might be a time to go on a quick aurora trip tomorrow night. So anyway, just wanted to keep you updated on what's going on with the sun right now. It's kind of an exciting time to be watching her. Had my solar scope out for a while. I could see the sunspots. Sketched them. I'll be uploading sketches of those in a little bit. And again, if you don't want to get a solar scope or don't have one, go to spaceweather.com. You can click here and you can zoom in, and they have them labeled and you can see them. These were really relevant on the sun, as were 4299 up here. These I spotted and I could see with my solar scope, but these were the prominent ones. So anyway, it's an exciting time to be solar observing. So hope you have time, if you have a solar scope, to use it. Do not ever look at the sun with the naked eye through a telescope. You will damage your eyes and could go blind. So don't do that. Okay? Have a good day. Hope you have clear skies.